We were really impressed with how quickly Marvista worked, and we had braced ourselves for all the surprises, right? Like, we've seen the shows where they make this phone call and it's tragic and we've discovered something terrible and it's going to cost a lot more money and we weren't expecting it and it's going to slow everything down. We didn't have those phone calls. I really applaud the team. They had planned really well. They had planned their time really well. And in a job this big, we didn't have any of those phone calls. But we did have time to make phone calls to Lindsay and Michael to say, hey, we're rethinking this. Can we just talk about how to rework this plan, and so that as our thinking evolves about how we want to use the space, we have time to edit the plans a bit to accommodate our new trains of thinking. So yeah, we really applaud them. Like, the project went off from our vantage point really flawlessly. I'm not sure what it took behind the scenes to get there, but it went really smooth.